Hari Om. The LGBT community and the horoscope. Sensitive as this topic is, especially in India, where talking of sex and sexuality has been and continues to be a taboo, I have taken this up today with some resolve and positive intent. As an astrologer, I feel it is necessary to address this community's physical and mental state through the horoscope to understand the urgent need to accept their preferences. The eighth house of the horoscope indicates sexual energy, coupled with planets from the seventh and the 12th houses. Sometimes planets sitting in a cluster in the first, eighth, and 11th houses indicate a different choice of partner and mental confusion, especially in these areas. I have very often been approached by parents asking me for remedies to cure homosexuality. Yet another young lady stands out in my memory because she met with resistance from her joint family and had to leave home and was lonely and devastated. First of all, we need to understand that the same-sex preference is not a disease, and also that the instincts are natural and biological and cannot be changed through experimenting. There is nothing abnormal about this, just different. By the time a child reaches puberty, he is well aware that he is different from his peers. Filled with confusion, his emotional state in the horoscope indicates phobia and depression. Without this as a background, the mind states can be assessed as sensitive and creative. But confusion and fear overshadow these wonderful qualities and fuel depression, which goes hand in hand with sensitivity. This is the time maximum support is required. But to talk to parents who are already over expecting in academics is unthinkable for nearly all these children. Besides same-sex preference is the transgender, who is confused about his own sexuality, a male trapped in a female body and vice versa. And the third sex among the transgender is the most scorned and discriminated, the eunuchs, the kinnars. The emotional areas of transgenders are high-strung, confrontational, and fearless in the horoscope, making them misunderstood, to say the least. The eighth house is aggravated with conflicting planets, leading to a kind of frustration and obsession with sex. Their urges make them demonstrative and attention-seeking, adding to abuse and ridicule most of them face. These mental breakdowns of the LGBT community can be checked with understanding, empathy, and acceptance without that pause or the raise of the brows. The depression, the aggression can all disappear, and the creative side of the mind planets can benefit society in unimaginable ways. The example of writer Vikram Seth is for all of us to see, because his mother stood by him and supported him from the word go. On the opposite side is A. Revati's life as a hijra. It is enough to make anyone's blood boil. The ridicule and abuse she encountered is there for all to see in her biography. But who is doing anything about it? In India, they hid like criminals till September 2018 for fear of being jailed, abused, and blackmailed by the very police that is expected to give protection. Till Section 377 was reversed, bringing relief and some voice to the community. But nothing much has been done for them yet. Unlike the West, there are no exclusive clubs. Online groups are to some extent helpful, but just like dating sites, unreliable for genuine needs for company. Our films are seldom sensitive to making the close-minded among us, which is a majority, understand and accept this community as normal. We talk so much of mental health today and Me Too movements, but are we listening to millions of the LGBT community? Do any of our clubs and social events welcome them as friends? As parents, are we talking to our children and telling them that our love and pride in them is unconditional? Our over expectations weigh heavy on their delicate shoulders. It is a pleasure to see the hearing impaired communicate with us in the baristas and the Starbucks. But what about the cross dressers? Education opportunities need to be at par, especially for the hijras. Because of the different appearance, they are invariably discriminated. Of the millions, a few odd examples are cited as success stories. But what about the rest? A same sex marriage becomes a page 3 news. Why? Let it be a norm, a way of life. We need to grow up and broaden our horizon. Let us take a leaf from the West and learn. It is about time and important for our self growth too. Hari Om, Om Tat Sat.